Decontaminating the air system is very important on some of the jobs we do. If it's a standalone blood cleanup after maybe a trauma, homicide, or even a suicide, it's not something that we would do. It's not getting in the air system. But a job that we always clean the duct system would be like a decomposition. The air is flowing in the house for days to weeks, even months, and it's pulling in those contaminants from the body that's off-gassing and decomposing. So in those situations, we do clean the duct system. We bring in a third party that cleans the ducts, and they apply a liquid oxidizer into the duct system to try and reduce as much of that contaminant as possible.